4:16 a.m. a random woman walks up to my doorway acting strangely. She starts looking inside my glass door, then does this.
I just want to let you know that your car light is on.
You are currently being recorded.
This is why you should always have a doorbell camera. This creepy video comes out of Phoenix, Arizona, and according to the family, this person came up to their door to warn them about their car light being left on while someone else was lurking in the background. But after they eventually left, she checked her car and there was no light on, so she posted it to warn others in our neighborhood.